You do not need 50 AI tools to start. You can build a simple ChatGPT sales assistant for the repeatable work you do every day. Bad use is opening ChatGPT randomly, asking for one email, then forgetting the prompt that worked. It fails because there is no role, no rules, no menu, and no saved workflow. Start by telling ChatGPT what role to play. A B2B sales assistant that helps with practical sales tasks and does not make up facts. Give it rules, plain language, short messages, buyer relevance, one question, and human editing required. Use this prompt. Act as my B2B sales assistant. Help me with research, cold emails, follow-ups, call prep, ORM notes, and objection practice. Always ask for missing context before making assumptions. Use plain language. Keep messages short and relevant to the buyer. Ask one clear question at a time. Never make up facts. Ask me for missing context before making assumptions. I will review and edit everything before using it. Create a simple menu: research, messaging, follow-up, call prep, CRM, and roleplay. For research, ask for likely priorities, pain points, and outreach angles based on company, role, and trigger. The assistant should not replace judgment. It should make the first draft faster, then you decide what is true and useful. Save your best prompt for each workflow in one folder, so the assistant gets better every week. Build one assistant with a role, rules, menu, workflows, and saved prompts. If you want prompts to load into your sales assistant, grab my free guide, 25 AI prompts every sales rep should steal.